Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Nikhil this side. I'm from Rajalakshmi Solution. I'm an implementer over here. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into creation of a product in Bitrix24, and by the end of you have the insight and you need to find some goals and benefits of that. So grab your seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So creation of product. For that, we need to open the CRM first. Uh, yeah, you can see. After that, we need to search the inventory. In inventory, you can find the product catalog. Just click on the product catalog, and you can see the dashboard of the product catalog. Okay. For that, we need to for the creation of a product catalog, we need to select a create button or a click on that create button for the creation of that product. Okay. I just mentioned one product name. I just type toy as a product name and save it. Okay, my product is successfully created and I need to see that product, so I just search that product in the product section search bar. I just search toy and search. You can find the product here. Successfully we had created a product in Bitrix24. Now how to learn to create this product in Bitrix24. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.